Hi guys, today topic primary key and foreign key. Before starting this topic, I would like to request you to go through the all playlist if you missed anything earlier video. Actually, these videos are the combination of the previous video and the Power Query and the Power BI tutorial. So if you missed that videos, watch it first to understand this concept clearly. So let's come on the today topic, primary key and the foreign key. So do you know any idea about how fact table and dimension table connected in the Power BI? Earlier, I have already explained this thing, fact table and dimension table. If you're not, go to the video and watch it first. Then, in this video, that the primary key. This is the uh, fact table. I have explained. These both are the dimension table. I will explain this in the previous video. Okay. So this is the lookup table, and this is the fact table. So this fact table connected to this table and this calendar table. This is the date and this is the date. So and here the product ID connected to this product table. Here's the product ID and these are the product ID. So these in the fact table are the foreign key. It's called a FK. So these contain the multiple instant of the each value are related to the primary key in the dimension table, right? And this video is a connect this all data the date are connected here. Okay, so these are the date and the product ID in the dimension table or in the lookup table are the primary key. The short form primary key we can say PK and foreign key we can say FK. So in the primary key they are uniquely identified each other. All row of the table are related to the foreign key in the fact table, right? So let's do some practical example in this. I'll open the Power BI. In Power BI, I'll open this model view. In this model view, these all are we connected earlier, right? So in this, let's try to understand about the keys, right? So let's open it and check keys one by one, right? So I'm just opening it, right? I've already managed it, right? So I'll just yeah, this is the temporary lookup. Okay, in this I'll select it from here and go to the properties in the keys. Where is the key here? Key is the sales strategy, right? If I click here, the icon would be like this, would come here. Okay, then I put the fact table here, dimension table on the top. Select the different thing, product lookup. In product lookup, search the key. Key would be the any idea? Customer key, right? Search the customer key from here. This one. This is the see the icon becomes changed on this. So we are just making the key here in every table. What is the next table? In the next table, what is the calendar table? So the calendar table, where is the calendar table? Yeah, it's the calendar lookup. So in the calendar table, if I click in the calendar, search the key, date definitely would be the key here, right? This becomes it. Let's little bit. Oh, it's too much. Here, calendar key. Okay, let's become icon like this. Okay, let's do that again. Calendar key. Select the date and select the date here, right? Date with the become the key And in the product table, in the product, any idea what is that product? See, select the product table, remove it here, select the product table, product lookup, from the key table, product key, right? Product key is the key here. The next, let's take the product category lookup. In product category lookup, search it, search the key, product category key with the product key here, right? So that we can make the key like this. Let's try to understand the manage relationship in the next video. So I'll explain the relationship. So now in this, I'll make a key. Okay. We'll meet you in the next video to understand more about the make the relationship in this and make the model. Okay. Stay tuned, please.